Today I'm going to show you how to create a high converting LinkedIn profile. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that you're in your own profile. Now there's a number of things that you can do to make a high converting profile. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your profile picture and your cover picture is good quality. Okay, you want to make sure that your profile picture shows your face. You also want to make sure that this cover picture is not just a random picture of something like clouds. You want to make sure that this over here allows potential hiring to see who you are, what you are about. Over here, the very first bit of information is quite important as well. So over here, you will see who you are, what type of work you do, and your location, some contact information, and some previous job history. And here, basically what you want to do is make sure that this pretty much sums up who you are, what you're about. Okay, you can come down over here, and there are a number of different things that you can add in. So first of all, you can click on this open to work, okay, and you can edit this over here. Now, over here on the right-hand side, you will see your profile language, your URL, your profile URL, which you can change as well. As you go down over here, you want to make sure that you get to the About section. Here, you can click on this little pencil icon. You can change your bio. You can set in skills over here. And then once you're done, you can click on Save. You're going to come down over here, you will see your activity. One of the best converting tips or tricks that you can have is making sure that you are active on LinkedIn, which means you are constantly making posts in and around the type of work that you would like to receive or that you would like to do. So make sure that you are active on LinkedIn. And then we come down to the experience section. Go ahead and make sure that you've always adding in all of your relative experience, regardless of what exactly it is that you are doing. Make sure that you are adding it in over here. So we've got all of our experience items over here. And then you want to also make sure that your education is filled in over here. It does say that you are 2 times more likely to receive recruiter email. Then we have licenses and certificates. We want to make sure that these are also, if you do have any certificates, licenses, these are added in here so that whoever is hiring, they can see who you are and what qualifications you have. Here you can add in your skills. Make sure that you also add in your interests over here. And this will allow you to have a complete profile. Having a complete profile means that if somebody is searching for you, you will come up. If somebody is searching for a data annotator or a video editor or something specific that you have done in the past or that your profile matches, you will be able to come up in their search. And instead of you going to look for jobs, you will be able to be recruited directly from a hiring manager or whoever is in charge of hiring. So make sure that your profile is complete. Add in as much detail as possible. Make sure that whatever work experience, life experience that you've had, make sure that it is in your profile.